Good morning. Winter came back. Are we upset? Yeah. Hey friends. It's been a while. To be completely 100% transparent, I was beat after doing the March Madness, and things slowed down. We weren't lambing. Our ducks are laying again, which is good. Our chickens, were laying really well, and then we moved them. Now they're not doing so good, but it'll pick back up. But as you can see, winter came back. Everything was turning green. And then last night, winter came back. So, I'm going to take you around and do an update on how everybody is and what everybody's doing. All right? Our ducks are still in their house because they're not a fan of the snow here. Hi, guys. Hi, Dolly. How are you doing, my girl? Huh? How are you doing? We got the chicken coop done. The outdoor winter chicken coop. But they're inside still because they're not sure what this white stuff is. But we let them out after lunch because we're trying to get them back into the habit of getting their eggs laid in the nesting box before they come outside, because I really don't want to play an egg hunt for my eggs. So, as you might remember, we have 18 ewes, and so far, out of the 18 that we have, 15 have now lambed. I'm going to take you out and show you our sheep, and hopefully I'll be able to get to all the little babies. Here's Abraham. He is our Rideau Arcot, or Rideau Arcot, however you want to say it. He's our main ram. Our other ram that we have is visiting one of my 4-H kids right now. And that little guy in the back there, having a drink of water and eating some snow, that is Storm, David's 4-H lamb. And here are our sheep. All right, so we have Miss Rachel. She was Mama 15. Your baby's at the end of the feeder. This is Leah. She had a little girl right there. I love how the babies can just get in and start eating. This is Laura. You. Oh, that's a boy. That's another boy right there. And then there's Carrie with the little black ear. She was one of the first ones born. But yes, all our sheep are doing amazing. Hello, Titan. He's the little black he's a weather lamb now. Woo! Hi, Hannah. Nothing like running me over. And of course, we still have Midge. Hi, baby girl. What you doing, Emerson? Hi. Hi, Addison. Hi, sweetheart. You're staring at me something awful. Yes. Hi, Miriam. You just walked in front of the camera. And this one here is one of Bella's boys. And then we have Ellie and Hallie. Like I said, that one is Titan. Are you stuck, Addison? You haven't moved. Ruth hasn't had her baby yet. And neither has Sweet Pea or Coco. Coco we're not expecting for a while yet, because she is just starting to bag up. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, Reuben. Reuben is going to be one of our replacement ram lambs. Well, hello, Cloud. This little girl that's walking away, the one I just said hi to, she is David's other 4-H project. And there's Cookie, the spotted one. But everybody's eating. Everybody's happy. Hello, baby. And there's Misty. Hello, sweetheart. Oh, there's Sweet Pea at the end there. So, as you can see, we've had a really good year for lambs. We're not quite done yet. I don't know when the other 3 are going to go. She might be closer. Well, I know she's closer than the other 2. It's just a waiting game. She is by herself and she's acting off. And that is what Rachel did when she had her little guy. So we might end up with babies today. I don't know. And here comes the ducks. Making their daily trek out to the farmyard. It is amazing to see how independent the lambs have gotten since they are not dependent solely on their moms for nourishment. Our twins are doing great. Our twins averaged at about 8 pounds when they were born, and they've all gained at least that, if not more. Our singles, they were all around the 10 to 12 pound mark. And they've all gained at least that, if not more, in a month. So we're doing good there. There's little Trixie. Hi, baby girl. It looks like my Carrie got some hay in her eye and it's irritated. That's gonna have to get fixed. So our pond was just starting to open up, and we've got ducks and geese, wild ducks and geese, making a home in it. And then all of a sudden it snowed. So everybody is hunkered down, trying to stay warm, wondering what the heck happened. We're kind of asking ourselves the same question. So anyways, friends, I'm going to be going back inside, and I still have some more seeds that I need to start. Hopefully the front porch is getting warmed up. I'm going to go turn the heater on. And there's no wind today, which is great. That means we might be able to set fire to a burn pile that we need to get rid of. So, always silver linings, right? the grass was starting to get so dry, it was starting to dry up so quickly that we weren't able to dispose of some stuff that we needed to dispose of, some branches and just stuff that needed to get dealt with before we could really get into the next season. And now we can, because the ground is covered in snow, and snow's just gonna melt. It's not gonna burn. So, always a silver lining, folks. Always a silver lining. Anyways, I am going to sign off here. I hope you have a very blessed day. And I hope that wherever you are, you find something to be grateful for. I am eternally grateful for your support and your time for watching these videos. If you like what you see, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps YouTube to share my content with more people. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. That would mean the world to me. And yes, just make today a great day. I will talk to you guys again later.